we're going to show you our little house. Yeah. Okay. Let's start. Should we bring our ice cream? Yes, we shall. Shall we? This is our dogs. Our dogs. This is Chloe. Zoe! We'll film Zoe later. Let's go upstairs, shall we? Come along. Don't trip up the stairs. That would be bad. Okay. I'm standing in the loft. Stand in here with me. Come. These are our rooms. They're currently locked right now, so no one can get in. Yep. Let me check the other one. Yep. And this one. Locked. But we can show you a sneak peek. See if it's ready. Dun dun dun! The laundry room. Oh. And here's the bathroom in case you have to think. It's very beautiful. Out! I say out! Okay. Now, this is a beautiful sight. See in the window. In the window. There we go. Okay, come on. Come along. Don't fall down the stairs. Still have to show her our living room. We'll show that last. Yes. This is a dining room-ish thing. Okay. This is my ice cream's melting. Such a tragedy. Kitchen. And this is Randall. Say hi, Randall, to the camera.
Hi, Randall.
Say hi.
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 Oh, come here, Zoe. This shall be Zoe. Okay, come on to the basement. Oh yeah. We like to call it our dungeon. Hey, I go first. Oh, the light burnt out.
Guess we'll have to have an adventure in the dark.
Careful now. Don't fall.
Oh! No, it's a wreck. No. Back it up. No.
Last but not least, the living room with Caitlin.
Hi.
Say hi, Caitlin.
Hi, Caitlin.
That was our crib. See you next time. And one more thing. We love homemade ice cream.
You can't get it anywhere. It's top secret.